Hello everybody, this is Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV I have in front of me, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to begin with, I'm going to demonstrate how you can set up the fingerprint ID, or to put it in other words, fingerprint unlock method for your display. So open up settings, then enter security category. In here, go for the fingerprint manager, choose what screen lock method you would like to use as your backup one. So you can either go with pattern, pin, or password. I'll go with the pattern myself. Draw the pattern that you would like to use, then redraw it again to confirm. After that, choose what notifications will be visible at the lock screen. More, I agree, next. And now you can start registering the fingerprint. So the scanner is located at the side of the phone, right at the side power key. So just lay and lift your finger onto the scanner. Make sure to slightly rotate it each time you do that, so the entire surface of it will be scanned. You can, if you have any difficulties or problems, you just follow the visual clues. Just like so, we have added the fingerprint. Now let's test it out, see how well it works. Well, it works very fast. So here is my lock screen. As you can see, it is locked. As soon as I lay my finger onto the scanner, the screen gets unlocked. So the feature works just fine. The next function that I wanted to share with you guys is located at the display category. It is called the high refresh rate, and allows you to set the refresh rate to 120 Hz value in opposition to the 60 Hz as per the default refresh rate. So basically what it does, it makes everything smoother, silkier, so visual experience gets improved. But at the same time, it drains more battery. So if you would like to conserve the power you have left, turn this off. If the battery in your current case is sufficient, you can enable this function and use your device at the highest possible refresh rate. The next feature is located, if I'm not mistaken, at the appearance category. Yep, it is called the ambient display, or as it is better known, always on display. In order to activate it, go to the when to show ambient display page and choose one of those, well, options, anything but off, basically. I'll make it so that it will be always on. Will not require any action for me to do in order to activate it. Now let's see whether we can somehow customize it. So yep, we can make it so, or should I say, we can turn on or turn off the notifications visibility for it. Choose what sticker to be applied over here. We can either set one of the pre-installed ones or go with a photo from our gallery. So let's say I'll go with this picture. So set a custom sticker for the AOD. So here it is. You can also choose whether you would like to see the music information in it. And once we have set it up, let's see how it looks. Like so. So at all times, even once your display or screen is completely disabled, you'll be able to check what time is it, day of the week, date, how much battery you have left, and, well, look at the sticker of your choice. You can actually turn off sticker and make it so that only information will be visible over here. So moving on to the next tip, that is a small one, rather a small one. So as you can see right now at the status bar in a normal state, I cannot see the battery percentage. In order for me to get the idea of how much power I have left exactly, I need to swipe this little curtain and see it at the control center. So if you would like for the battery percentage to be displayed next to the battery icon itself at all times, just enter the battery category over here and switch on the battery percentage toggle. Here it is. So fifth and final tip for today is also located at the battery category of settings. It's a very useful feature that allows you to share the power or battery from your Sony to any other device that supports the wireless charging. Should it be smartwatch, some Bluetooth earbuds, or whatever is that, or even other smartphone. So in here, in order to activate this function, go to the battery share, switch this toggle on, and lay the device in question onto the Sony's smartphone back. So I'll just lay my personal iPhone like here. And as you can see, it starts charging right away. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your attention. And bye-bye.